My dear students, in our last class, we were talking about cells, and I told you that what are the components, what are the organelles, what are the constituents of the cell. We discussed the difference between animal cell and plant cell, and we discussed the cell differentiation things. Now, we need to know that once we have a cell, an entity which is bounded by a cell membrane, if it's living, this cell needs energy. And in order to give this cell energy, there are certain things which need to be brought inside of the cell, and there are certain waste products which need to, pushed out of this cell. So in order to understand how these things, how useful things are taken up by the cells and how waste things are, thrown out of the cell, we need to understand what are the different ways of transport of materials